This is the 2016 Nissan Titan XD Pro-4X. It has the 5.0 liter Cummins turbo diesel. This Titan has a DPF delete with a proven diesel tune. Has a northern toolbox. Here's the engine. Doesn't have any leaks. Here's the inside of the vehicle. Doesn't have any fault codes or any warning lights. Navigation works. Has a brake controller here. 4x4. Let's see, let's switch it to 4x4 high. 4x4 works. So here's the tune here, so you can switch it to 5 different levels or 5 different tunes, 5 different power levels.